So my name is Soma Raj Laxmi, and currently I'm working as a product designer with UST Hyderabad, and it's been a very good experience so far. So today I'm attending the servant leader workshop here at Lemon Tree, and so far it's going really good. It's really good. It's going really good. Today is the second day, and we had very good starting, and the journey started from an introduction about the servant leadership by Dr. Madana, and me following being his follow on LinkedIn already. It was a very good experience to have different workshops through which we got different situational leadership understanding and how to create an impact within an organization using servant leadership. So there were certain practical examples as well, and it's going good.
Thank you.
Me working in a product team, the team is very diverse, and definitely initially when I a little bit struggled how to, because I'm also new. So I think through this I'll be able to understand, be more self-aware, because we were taught these concepts in these 2 days workshop. How to improve the self-awareness so that we are not biased, and we can also be easy for us to practice servant leadership. So being more self-aware, I think I'll be able to work more effectively. So that is my one of the biggest takeaway which I'll be going home and then practicing and implementing. So yeah, that's like the biggest takeaway.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, I think so. Yes, I'm not sure about all the departments, but at least the department I work for, it is working. So I recently had the opportunity to meet my senior manager also, and it was really good. It didn't feel like there was a hierarchy there. Very neutralized, very liberal leaders are there, and they really focus on your growth selflessly. There's no such thing like pull and tear here. So that's like really good. It's not like they're just writing in the book, they're actually practicing it.
That's great.
Yeah, so like I mentioned previously in the second question, I'm definitely planning to bifurcate my multitasking and all my responsibilities, and also self-explore, and be able to work with different stakeholders more empathetically, I will say. Because it's not, like servant leadership says, it's not just about my growth, it's also about that everyone around me also grows with me. So I think that is something, that selflessness thing I'll definitely try to, inculcate, which is a little difficult to see in corporate environment, but I'll try that.